Imagine turning your knowledge into a steady income stream from the comfort of your home. Welcome to the world of virtual tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach students online and get paid for it. First, identify the subjects or skills you are proficient in. Popular choices include math, science, languages, and even music. Next, choose a reliable platform like Chegg Tutors, Wisent, or even Zoom to conduct your sessions. These platforms connect you with students seeking help in your area of expertise. Set up a professional profile, highlighting your qualifications, experience, and teaching style to attract potential students. Be sure to create a quiet, well-lit space for your virtual classroom, equipped with a good quality webcam and microphone. Plan your lessons in advance and use interactive tools to engage your students. Offering a free trial session can help build trust and showcase your teaching skills. As you gain experience, ask for feedback and reviews to boost your credibility. Don't waste another minute. Do yourself a favor and hit that subscription button to get more tips and start your journey to earning from home today.